Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here, and in this lesson I want to teach you the acoustic version for the song Sweet Child of Mine by Guns N' Roses. Now this is going to be the acoustic version, so we're just going to be going over how to play this song with the rhythm guitar. So first I'm going to play through it for you, and then afterwards we'll break it down and I'll explain it to you in more detail. So be sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and get started playing through the song.
She's got a smile that it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories, where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky. Now and then when I see your face, she takes me away to that special place. If I stare too long, I probably break down and cry. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet child of mine. She's got eyes of the bluest sky, as if they thought of rain. I hate to look into those eyes and see an ounce of pain. Her hair reminds me of a warm, safe place where as a child I hide and pray for the thunder and the rain to quiet and pass me by. Oh, sweet child of mine. Oh, sweet love of mine.
Now what's nice about this song is that we're only going to be using 4 chords, and if you've ever learned how to play the guitar the traditional way, where you learn the 5 main shapes of the caged system, C-A-G-E-D, then that's going to make this song a lot easier, because we're only going to be using 4 chords from those main shapes. We're going to be using the C chord shape, the A, the G, and the D. Now, the only time we're going to be strumming all 6 strings is going to be for that G chord. If we're playing the A or the C, we need to start our strumming on the A string and not strum the low E string. And for the D chord, we need to start our strumming on the D string and not strum the E or the A string. All right, for this strum pattern, we're going to be using a 4-beat strumming pattern, meaning that we're going to have 4 beats in a measure, and then the pattern is going to repeat. Now we're going to be strumming down on beat 1, 2, and 4. So we're going to be skipping our down strum on beat 3. So that's what we're doing with our down strums, but we're also going to be playing some up strums in between the beats. So we're going to be playing 3 up strums after beat 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to put emphasis on that up strum after beat 2, which means we're just going to be strumming harder on that beat. Now I'm going to put those down strums and those up strums together, counting out the beats so you can hear what I'm doing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now if you're having trouble with this strum pattern, you might want to take it aside and practice it just like that, where you just mute the strings and you focus just on that pattern. You count out the pattern out loud and you just focus all of your attention on that pattern. So you don't have to think about the pattern and what your left hand is doing with the chords and the transitions. Once you get the strum pattern set to memory, then you can begin to try to apply it with the rest of the song. All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.